Shemai Pawb, hello everybody, I'm Kerry from Talk and Play. Today we're going to have a little look at how we can introduce action words to our children's vocabulary. There are lots of different ways in which we can introduce action words, one of the ways being through physical play. So we could use the words run, jump, hop, skip, throw, swim, push, pull, bounce, lots and lots of different words that we can use, and the best ways for our child to understand and remember them is if we model them. So if we show them how to jump, you ask them if they can jump. So use the child's name, say, can you jump? Jump, 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 repeating the word over and over again to reinforce it. Another way in which we can introduce action words is through songs and rhymes. So we could use, if you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. So we're clapping. We could waving, row, row, row your boat, rolling. We can stamp those feet, nod your heads, shout out loud, wind the bobbin up, dance, smile. Lots and lots of different action words are used in songs and rhymes. And another way we can introduce action words is through pretend or imaginary play. So for instance, if your child has got a little tea set, we could use that. So we could say, oh, shall we have some tea? Can you get the teapot and pour the tea? Pour some in the cup. Oh, a lovely cup of tea. Pour. Shall we pour some milk? So pour it in the cup. We need to stir, so get our spoons. Stir, stir, stir. Stir that tea. I need to drink my tea now. Shall I drink it? Oh, it's hot. What should we do? Should we blow it? Using the action word blow. Blow that tea. Drink it up. Very nice. Does our dolly want some tea? We need to pour it. We'll use this cup. Pour the tea. Pour it in the cup. We need some milk. Pour the milk in. We'll use the spoon to stir the tea. Stir it. Is our baby going to drink it? Oh, might be hot. What do we need to do? Blow it. Blow the tea. Drink the tea up. Lovely. Oh, are we hungry? Should we have some cake? Eat the cake. Eat it up. And our baby, is she going to have some cake? Nice cake. Lovely. Now, when they've done that, you could encourage them to wash. So you could say, oh, put the cup in the bowl. Wash it. Wash it, wash it, wash it, round and round and round. And then we take the cup out of the bowl and dry the cup. Dry it all up. Lovely. So that's an example of action words we can use during imaginary play. We can also encourage action words through your everyday routine. So encourage your child to help you to wash up, to brush the floor, to push the hoover back and forth, back and forth. You can dust, do lots and lots of different things. So good luck with the action words. Have a go at them, and I shall see you soon. Bye.